QuickFile Accountancy Honest Review Watch before using. Most people think accounting software is complicated and time-consuming, but QuickFile makes bookkeeping and financial management straightforward for small businesses. QuickFile is a cloud-based accounting platform that supports invoicing, bank feeds, VAT returns, and financial reporting. One standout feature is automation. It automatically imports transactions from your bank, categorizes them, and matches invoices, reducing manual entry. Most people get this wrong. They assume cloud accounting platforms are expensive or require advanced accounting knowledge. The surprising truth is QuickFile is user-friendly, designed for non-accountants, with simple dashboards, clear reports, and easy compliance tools for VAT and taxes. Another advantage is integration. QuickFile connects with payment processors, e-commerce platforms, and spreadsheets, making financial workflow seamless. It also allows multi-user access so accountants and business owners can collaborate in real time. However, there are considerations. Some advanced features, like multi-currency support or in-depth reporting, may require subscription upgrades. Customization options are limited compared to larger enterprise solutions. In conclusion, QuickFile is ideal for small businesses, freelancers, and startups who want a simple, cloud-based accounting solution. Its combination of automation, ease of use, and integration makes bookkeeping faster and less stressful. Subscribe for more honest finance and accounting software reviews before managing your business finances.